today I'm just going to do a spring clean throughout my house. So join me for some spring cleaning motivation. And also a few of you asked me what my kids do while I'm cleaning. And normally when I do a cleaning video, I try to do it when my kids are either at school or sleeping. And I decided to show you what I do when my kids are home. My little one is currently sleeping and Emmett is over here and he's working on some Lego. He is going to work on some Lego while I get this place all spick and span. I've been using my products from the Grove Collaborative. I like their concentrates. I have the all-purpose cleaner here and I have the glass cleaner. And I'm going to try, this is Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena scent. And I normally use the big Costco eco-friendly dish soap, which I really like. But I'm going to give this a try and see if I like this, and then maybe I'll switch over to using this brand, but we'll see. Right now, I'm totally sold on these Grove Collaborative concentrates. They're awesome, I love the smell of them, and it is so much easier for me than trying to make my own products, which I pretty much failed at. Here's a whole bunch of glass jars I was keeping because I thought I might be able to use them, but it turns out I don't need them, so I'm going to recycle them. What? One thing that is on my spring cleaning project list for today is to do this curtain. So as soon as I'm done with the dishes here, done wiping up the downstairs and doing a general tidy, I'm going to head upstairs, get out my sewing machine and fix that curtain because I want to get that done, and that's been on my spring clean list. What are you up to? One thing I like to do is, you can see down there that the cupboard has a lot of fingerprints and footprints, probably from my kids. But that's one thing I like to clean for more of a deep spring clean, is wipe down the faces of the cupboards. I really liked the smell of this dish soap and it actually worked really, really well. So I might be switching to this in the future once I run out of my Costco supply. I just wanted to freshen it up a little bit this spring by changing some pillow covers and changing this little curtain in the kitchen. I find just a few simple changes can really transform the whole look of your room or your home. There we have it, the perfect size curtain for that area. Here is the final look of the curtain. As you can see, Duplo was thrown across the whole entire living room, which is fine. This is how they played, but Emmett's gonna help me pick this up now because we are done playing with that. He's moved on to a puzzle, so we're gonna get this picked up. honestly shocked at how dirty these front windows are or were. And I think it's just because we get a lot of wind through here and a lot of pollen blowing through the window, but these windows were filthy and I feel like I just cleaned them not that long ago. So I'm gonna add this onto my cleaning task that I need to do more often. And it looks like we need to clean the outside of these windows really good because they are super filthy with just pollen and dust. So that's gonna be added on to my spring cleaning this spring as well. One little quick mini refresh I did for spring is I just purchased these pillow covers from IKEA, and we have not had new pillow covers in a long time, and I wanted something just kind of fresh and spring-like. And the ones we had before were gray, and our couch is gray, and our wall is gray, and it was just too boring for me. So I went with another one of these, what do you call it, palm tree pillows. And then this one has a nice texture and it's nice and soft, and it's a nice blue color. And then I went with this wild card, which is kind of a really bright green. And the kids love the pillows and they've been enjoying them, huh? And it's just a nice refresh for spring. So I've added that to our couch. I manage to fit the cleaning in when my kids are home, and I do not plan to spring clean my entire home in one day with my kids here. That will be dispersed when I have moments here and there. I will fit it in throughout this spring for more of a deep clean, although with becoming more minimal and simplifying my life, I find that I'm able to stay on top of the cleaning pretty well throughout the year, so I don't actually have to do some kind of major spring clean. What I do like to do is do more of the baseboards and switch out the air filter in my air conditioner and heater, bi-yearly cleaning. And look, the little guy just woke up, so this is also the perfect time to stop. And if you enjoyed this video, please click here to see my entire year of decluttering playlist, and you can get some decluttering inspiration for your spring cleaning. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.